In this video, I'm going to show you how Gamma AI can build a stunning presentation, document or web page for you in less than a minute, just from a simple prompt. Let's dive in. Just type Gamma app into your Google search bar and click the link. Once the interface opens, simply log in with any account to start using it for free. Now click on Create New with AI and then click Generate. Here you will see new interface to create presentation, web pages or documents, etc. For now, we will create a presentation. By default, the free version gives you 10 cards, and by cards I mean slides. If you need more, you'll have to upgrade. For this presentation, we will select Add Card and then enter our prompt. Then click on Generate Outline. If you want, you can easily drag and drop these outline slides to change their order. Once you're happy, click Generate again. Now, watch the magic happen. The AI automatically builds a presentation, adding relevant images, charts, and tables. You can easily change the column layouts or modify the charts to make them more descriptive. Just click on the three dots to see more options. For example, like you see on the screen, I'm changing this area chart to a stacked column chart. You can also change the colors, styles, or types of graphs. If you want to highlight a specific value, just click on it and it will highlight that exact bar. Next, you can change the data table layout. You can even add buttons or forms directly into your presentation, which we will discuss later on. We will select here 7 cards and then paste the prompt as shown on the screen. Once you select it, you click on Edit Prompt. You will see different options. You can generate the text whether you want it concise or minimal or more details. For now, we selected minimal. There are many options for theme selection. You can select the theme according to your color or style choice. You can also add the images, either free or stock images, or letting the AI generate them automatically. Make sure to keep the format set to Webpage and then click Generate. And just like that, the AI has started creating our web page. Now, let's move on to the next part, where we learn how to add the Google form into this web page to collect data. For this tutorial, I've already created a sample Google form. Just click on the Send or Publish option in your Google form and you will get a short link. We can easily embed that link right here into our web page. As you can see on the screen, the live form is now fully integrated. It actually works, making it super easy for you to collect user details and generate leads. Finally, to take your website live, just click the Publish button and then click View Site. And here you go. Here are the final results. Your fully functional web page with the embedded Google form is ready. And that wraps up our Gamma AI tutorial. If this video helped you save time and create amazing designs, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tips. Let me know in the comments what you're going to build first. Thanks for watching.